2006 Honda Accord engine type 3.0 V6 replacement alternator. First time you remove the cable battery and remove the pan coolant. This one, red pan coolant. And remove the cover. And remove the connect alternator. And remove the cable. And remove the rider belt, use the socket. Long 14, the tensioner here. Put back, remove the belt. And remove this bolt here. And remove the bottom bolt alternator. And remove the alternator. Old alternator, new alternator, you take and make sure the same. Remove the cover here, right here. Check and make sure. And install the alternator. Okay. And tighten this bolt here and the bottom. And connect cable and put the rider belt and put the fan cooler. Thank you. Watch my video. Please put subscribe for me. Thank you. Next time I put video.